A home is the light of the day, a hope of tomorrow, and a nucleus of human civilization. Therefore, easy and speedy promotion, development, and management of real estate within the shortest possible time assumes utmost importance. Yet, saving the ecological damage in the form of atmospheric pollution due to smoke, loss of agricultural land, wood, and water, making maximum use of locally available materials and technologies, in addition, giving employment to locals. Founded in 1959 by eminent engineer late Sri Ramji Agarwal, Krishna Colonizers Private Limited, after successfully sponsoring and developing Krishnanagar, Chandralok, Vishnupuri, Indralok, and Krishnalok townships to provide homes for over 5,000 families at Lucknow, invented a non-conventional building technology in the year 1983 as approved by HUDCO, CBRI, Roorkee, IIT Delhi and IIT Kanpur, patented by the Government of India in the Department of Patents, and now honed and in vogue as K Building System, with the sole object of providing a home to all. It is resistant to earthquake, white ant, fire, heat, sound, theft and burglary, seepages and dampness, alkaline soil and high subsoil water. It gives you savings on 25% of the construction cost, savings on 60% of the construction time. In addition to this, it also saves 20 to 25% unusable floor area. It is highly durable, highly functional, has a low maintenance cost, and is neat and pleasing in appearance. The light steel framed buildings of K Building System have underreamed piles which serve as foundation of the building. Beams and columns are made of built-up steel section using light angle iron connected together by steel latticing for minimum weight with large section modulus. The slabs are made of RCC in the conventional way. The shuttering is supported from the beams and does not require any vertical supports. Walls are 35 mm to 50 mm thick, consisting of a mesh of steel wire encased in cement and sandplaster using the uniting process. For fire protection, beams and columns are encased in cement and sandplaster over a mesh of wire wrapped around the beams and columns. The method tries to combine the advantages of a steel frame building, a concrete frame building, and factory-made panel building, while keeping within the available technology level and local conditions in the Indian cities and countryside. The structural soundness. The basic steel frame structures are best suited to withstand the dead loads and the live loads, with a good resistance to earthquakes as well, particularly because of their lower dead weight as compared to conventional brick and RCC buildings. This economy of dead weight makes the structure economical and safe as well, because of continuity. Due to moment resistance of joint, the structure as a whole behaves like a steel frame building. The boundary walls can also be built using the same principle, that is ferrocrete walls and steel frame columns resting on pile foundations. There are many advantages of K Building Systems to the nation, which encompasses the use of brick, which is completely eliminated in these buildings. The ecological damage caused by the brick kiln in the form of atmospheric pollution due to smoke, loss of good agricultural land, damage to fruit orchards, etc. is completely eliminated. In addition, the system uses waste material from river and mountains, example sand and gravel. The social aspect encompasses that these houses have the same appearance and same functional advantages and conveniences for all income groups. Thus, even the poorest will have a safe and nice looking house, though of a smaller floor area. This may go a long way in reducing the social imbalance in housing between the rich and the poor. K Building Systems has an enormous employment potential. That is, this system is suitable to Indian conditions and has higher employment potential. Even in rural areas, the housing schemes can be undertaken and the transportation cost and use of fuel can be heavily reduced in addition to giving employment to local persons. K Building Systems make use of local materials. The system tries to make the maximum and optimal use of locally available materials. The construction of thousands of homes in over several million square feet area in several single, double and multi-storied buildings stands testimony of our system. The latest being 8-storied Kalyan, 10-storied Kalyan Garden View, buildings in Sector 24 at Indiranagar and Surabhi at Krishnalok on main Lucknow-Kanpur highway, where 2, 3, 4 and 5 BHK deluxe flats of 110, 145, 275 and 320 square meters are available for sale, with facilities of car parking and indoor and outdoor games. These homes are available on easy installments through HDFC Home Loan. We look forward for your valuable business association and a long-term affiliation.